my cousin Canman, and today we're gonna open
some Panini Impeccable basketball cards. They're worth a lot, and there's 9 cards in total, and we'll be looking to pull the gold NBA logo card.
We're gonna open this sucker open.
So
We're hoping for
a gold NBA logo card. So here we go. Let's see what we got inside.
3, 2, 1.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so there's these little individual packs that they have that we gotta open up. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Here. Use this.
Just poke a hole through it.
There you go. Now can you open that up for him?
Where's the hole?
There you go. Okay, be careful, be careful. Okay. In our first card, we have a Brooklyn Nets James Harden .99 fine silver, 16 out of 20. Next, here, let me book that for you. There you go.
There's more than one.
Okay. So the first we have a Keldon Johnson from the San Antonio Spurs, 44 out of 99 card. Very nice. Next, we have a Mike Bibby from the Sacramento Kings, signed 10 out of 99. Next up, we have a Avery Johnson from the San Antonio Spurs, 7 out of 25. Next up is an Impressions Isaiah Jackson, signed 13 out of 25. Next, we have a Jerry West signed Basketball Hall of Fame. Next, we have a Ja Morant Canvas Creations Panini Impeccable. Next up, we have a Giannis Antetokounmpo 26 out of 35 card. And last, we have a Kawhi Leonard Los Angeles Clippers Impeccable 12 out of 49.
Now we're gonna open our other Panini 1-in-1 box. That first Impeccable box was our best pull, and hopefully this one is as well.
Okay, so we will be opening our second 2021 Impeccable Panini box. Hopefully it's as good as our first pull we had.
Hopefully we have another one of those. Fat cards. I think.
Okay. Okay, this one looks really good because it's
I think
just
this one's
one
the fat one.
by itself.
Oh, that's the fat.
Okay, be careful with this one. This one seems good. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, wait.
Oh.
This is a Larry Bird Boston Celtic stainless steel star, and it's a 23 out of 49. Very nice pull there. And now it looks like we have maybe a bigger one, maybe? We'll see.
We'll see how good these pulls are.
Oh, okay.
Get the first card, Canman.
Okay. So the first card that we have is a Chris Middleton Milwaukee Bucks 55 out of 99. Next, we have a Scotty Lewis Allegiance rookie jersey autograph redemption card. The next up is Delph Shrimp Indiana Pacers Extravagance 97 out of 99 card. Okay, this one is a Larry Johnson 76 out of 99 Impeccable Selection signature card. Our next one is Zaire Williams 89 out of 99 Impressions signed card. And our next up is the Jalen Green signed and patched Allegiance 36 out of 99 card. After that, we have a Kyle Lowry 33 out of 75 Miami Heat card. Next up, we have Ben Simmons from the 76ers 29 out of 49.
These are the cards that we got in our Impeccable boxes.
There are some very good pulls, and it was just a great day.
Like and subscribe. Bye.